If you're wondering if you can clone apps on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, if we open a settings on our device, we can navigate to the advanced features right here, and then you can find the dual messenger app option. When you enter it, you'll be able to activate dual messenger apps for certain apps. So for example, right here we have WhatsApp that is enabled, and that way I've made a clone for the WhatsApp. So yes, you can clone the apps, but it limits it only to those specific messenger apps. Other than that, you can also clone any other app. This might be a bit different and you may not like it, but it works. So what you need to do is set up your secure folder. If you have your secure folder fully set up, you'll be able to clone apps there. So I will show you how to do that in a moment. So let's go into the settings back on my phone. Then we can access the security and privacy. Then we can go to more security settings and select secure folder. Here you'll be able to set it up. I've made dedicated video on how to set up secure folder. When it's ready, you can open your secure folder. It should be somewhere on your home screen or in the app drawer. And then if you add any apps with this plus button, they will be basically cloned. So for example, we have a Photos app right here, and this is a different Google Photos app than I have in my normal phone right here. If I open a Photos, as you can see, there's different photos. There's even logged in account, and on the other app right here, there's no such thing. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.